Welcome to Amit Erez Photography. In this guide, we'll explore landscape. 5 techniques. 5 opportunities. Real photos from the field. The soft light of golden hour, 30 to 60 minutes after sunrise and before sunset, gives landscapes depth and warmth that can't be replicated in post-processing. Low, diffused, magical. The simple rule: arrive at the location at least 30 minutes before sunrise. Wait for the light before pressing the shutter. Select a city. Representative sunrise/sunset times. A 2 30-second exposure turns crashing waves into silky glass and clouds into dramatic streaks. You need a tripod, remote shutter release, and an ND filter. Without these, it won't work. Best results: flowing water, crashing waves, moving clouds, all benefit greatly from long exposure. Choose scene. See recommended settings. Lower third highlighted, gold. Where the flowers sit, the foreground. Upper 2/3, sky and background. Flat landscape photos look two-dimensional. The fix: find a close element, a rock, wildflower, path, and place it in the lower third. It pulls the viewer's eye deep into the frame. One rule to remember: 2/3 for the landscape, 1/3 for the foreground. Horizon line in the upper or lower third, never in the middle. Use a narrow aperture, f8, f11, to ensure both the foreground and background are in focus. Deep depth of field. Great landscape photographers arrive before anyone else. They check the sun direction, prepare 3 shooting angles, and know what to do if clouds roll in. Preparation is part of the craft. Check sunrise/sunset direction on Google Maps. Plan a backup for different weather conditions. Most people run from rain and fog. Landscape photographers run toward them. Every weather type offers a unique opportunity that doesn't exist on a regular sunny day. Photos for purchase. Print for your wall. Landscape Photos by Amit Erez, available for print in any size. Captures the full scene, the landscape and architecture standard. Essential for landscape. Long exposures at sunrise, sunset, and night. Balances bright sky with dark foreground. Essential for sunset shots. One-click sky replacement. Swap sky, clouds, and lighting in landscape shots automatically. Photography courses. Beginner to advanced video lessons, self-paced, covering all photography topics. Thanks for watching. For more photography guides, visit amitphotos.com. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly photography content.